Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a look at what just might be the best lightweight travel foldable hair dryer you can buy. The Conair Travel Hair Dryer with dual voltage and 1875 watts of power. Whether you're a globetrotter or just want something compact for the gym or office, this is one to consider. Let's dive in. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is the smart and compact design. The dryer comes in a clean, matte gray finish with a simple folding handle. That folding feature is more than just a gimmick. It allows the dryer to collapse down into a highly portable shape, perfect for slipping into a carry-on or even a tote bag. If you've ever had to choose between packing your bulky hairdryer or bringing that extra pair of shoes, you'll love the convenience this offers. What makes this dryer particularly great for travel isn't just the folding handle, it's the dual voltage capability. With a quick flick of a switch, you can shift between 110 and 220 volts, meaning it's ready to use almost anywhere in the world. Just don't forget your plug adapter. This flexibility makes it ideal for frequent flyers who don't want to rely on unpredictable hotel dryers that overheat or underdeliver. Now let's talk about performance. This little guy packs a solid punch with 1875 watts of power. That means it dries hair quickly and efficiently, which is especially handy when you're on a tight schedule, say, between hotel checkout and your next flight. Despite its power, the dryer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, so your arms won't get tired while styling. It features 2 heat and 2 speed settings, allowing you to tailor the airflow to your hair type and desired style. Whether you need a quick blast of hot air or a gentler drying session, you're covered. And yes, there's also a cool shot button, perfect for locking in curls, waves, or smoothing out frizz after you're done drying. Speaking of frizz, the dryer is designed to fight it. The consistent heat and powerful airflow help reduce moisture buildup, which in turn keeps your hair smoother and shinier. For many users, this means less need for follow-up straightening or touch-ups, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to travel light. Conair has long been a trusted name in hair care, and it shows in the construction and usability of this product. It feels sturdy in the hand despite its travel-friendly size, and the plastic material is durable enough to withstand being tossed around in a suitcase. And for those wondering about maintenance, it's quite simple. The back filter can be cleaned out easily to ensure peak performance over time. There's no need to worry about complicated parts or accessories, just straightforward reliability. Price-wise, this dryer offers excellent value. You're getting a professional-level drying experience in a compact and travel-ready form, all without breaking the bank. It's often listed under $25, making it one of the most affordable travel essentials you can invest in. Definitely jet setters, but also students in dorms, professionals commuting between home and work, or anyone who wants a reliable secondary hair dryer without taking up too much counter space. To wrap it up, the Conair Travel Hair Dryer with dual voltage, 1875 watts of power, and a foldable handle, is a true winner in the travel haircare space. It's compact, powerful, user-friendly, and priced just right. For those reasons and more, it gets the Product Critique seal of approval. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews just like this one. Catch you next time.